Hello everyone, and welcome to my online course, How to Become a Better Driver and Avoid 99% of Accidents. Yes, that's definitely possible. Let's jump straight into the first lesson. Lesson 1. 360-degree super awareness, attention on the road and other vehicles. Cars, trucks, bikes, bicycles, pedestrians, chickens, etc. and how to increase your awareness. If you walk blindfolded through the jungle full of dangerous predators, will you survive? Unlikely. Your odds are very low. Same applies to our public roads. They are also dangerous because of stupid, bad, ignorant drivers, sometimes drunk drivers. In the jungle you will be super alert and super aware so that the predator does not attack you from behind unexpectedly. On the roads, you need to have the same mentality if you want to avoid accidents. Every single day around the world, in every country, there are accidents. Why? Why are so many millions of people making accidents every day? In large part, it's because they either don't have the skills or they just don't care about safety. But none of the skills and the lessons to follow will matter if you are not always super alert and super aware when you're driving. That's the number one skill. Everything else is built on top of this base. While you're driving, you need to know what's going on around you all the time. Other people make mistakes often. Some people just don't care. You need to watch out for these types of people. You need to watch out for everyone and anything, everything. If you're not aware of what's going on around you, how can you avoid an accident? How can you get out of the way of some stupid idiot driver who is going to crash into your car? This is lesson number 1, super awareness. The 3 images above demonstrate self-driving autonomous vehicles. They have to be super aware of their surroundings at all times. Otherwise, they cannot drive safely. The same applies to us humans. If we are not fully aware of our surroundings and other vehicles around us at all times, how can we be safe drivers? Governments will not allow self-driving cars to be on the roads if they cannot drive safely. And the number one skill, the number one characteristic that self-driving cars must have is full awareness. They need to know of everything around them. They need to know what all other vehicles around them are doing. That's the only way they're going to stay safe. All other algorithms, all other sensors won't matter